The Alfred Kärcher company, based in Winnenden, Germany, is the largest manufacturer of cleaning technology worldwide. With over 1,700 patent applications, Kärcher is also the innovation leader in its sector. The success story began in 1935 with one of the most significant German inventors and entrepreneurs, Alfred Kärcher. Even today, his two children, Johannes Kärcher and Susanne Zimmermann von Sieffert, are contributing modestly as partners to continuous growth. In addition, support of non-profit projects is only natural for them. As part of the cultural sponsorship, more than 180 monuments, statues and buildings all around the world have been cleaned for free. This program was developed more than 40 years ago to preserve historic monuments with the possibilities that Kärcher has, with the employees, the know-how and the machines. Kärcher has, for example, cleaned the chapel of St. Charles and Hubert of the Aachen Cathedral as part of a pilot project with the German Commission for UNESCO. The University of Applied Sciences Stuttgart was serving as a research partner in the Aachen Cathedral project. The team was analyzing and documenting the type and extent of the contamination on the facade of the chapel of St. Charles and Hubert. By using the correct method, the goal was to remove only the contamination and not the original surface. The cleaning work is supposed to preserve historic buildings and monuments for future generations. The work is being conducted after a test and research phase and in close cooperation with the owners, the competent authorities, restorers and art historians. Thus, it is guaranteed that each object receives the most suitable cleaning method. In Aachen, the biological growth on the limestone and sandstone surfaces was removed with hot water high-pressure cleaners. Subsequently, the main cleaning was conducted with the particle blasting method. In the hospital church, dust and soot particles were removed chemical-free from monuments and a crucifixion group. A cleaning team trained by Kärcher cleaned the crossing tower of the votive church in Vienna with a dry ice blaster. At the Greenwood Cemetery, 3 chosen mausoleums were gently freed from mosses, algae and lichens using a hot water high-pressure cleaner. The remaining black gypsum crusts were removed with a low-pressure particle blasting method. Reverend Eberhard Schwarz of the hospital church says, "At first, I couldn't imagine how historic stones are being cleaned and was worried how the project would be handled professionally. I have to admit, however, that it was done very carefully and professionally. I was impressed by the different methods used for the cleaning of the stones." Tinsmith Ulrich Sukup of the votive church is also happy. With the dry ice blasting method, we exposed much more than we have seen before. This motivates us to keep going because there's always the possibility to find something. And Neela Vikramasinghe, manager of preservation and restoration at Greenwood, points out, "One of the key tenets in conservation and restoration is documentation. In order to go forward, we need to know what was there when they started. Kärcher did full photographic documentation and made a wonderful report. The steam cleaner stops our dependence on different detergents and biocides and other chemicals that we really don't want to use." With the cleaning projects, Kärcher wants to preserve and retain the signature of the original material. Taking care of monuments is of great importance because it preserves their heritage for following generations.